What is social robotics? Imagine a robot that not only brings you something but greets you by name, responds to your mood, or teaches you to code. Social robotics is the field dedicated to designing and building robots that can interact with humans in a natural and empathetic way. Unlike an industrial robot whose goal is a physical task, a social robot's main purpose is communication and interaction. These robots are designed with features that make them more accessible and social. They use cameras and artificial intelligence algorithms to recognize facial expressions and voice tones. They can talk, answer questions, and even use gestures to simulate emotions. Additionally, they are often programmed with a unique personality to make their interaction more natural and human-like. So, where can we find social robots? Their applications are vast and focus on human well-being. For example, robots like Aibo, the robot dog from Sony, are used as companion pets in homes to reduce stress and loneliness. There are also robots like Moxie, from the company Diligent Robotics, that help in hospitals with logistical tasks, allowing medical staff to focus on patients. And they can even act as guides in museums or as receptionists in stores and offices, offering information in a friendly manner. In short, social robotics is the future of human-machine interaction. Its goal is to turn robots from simple tools into companions and assistants that improve our daily lives in a more personal and close way.